This is a dead simple way to get clients to choose you over other freelancers, even more experienced ones. And you don't have to change anything about you. You don't need no more experience. You don't need big name clients. You don't need to add 100 projects to your portfolio. It's simply about understanding what your clients really want and how to differentiate yourself from your competitors. Because today, simply being good at what you do isn't enough. It's not enough to be talented. And that's because no matter what kind of freelancing you do, there's thousands of other people who do the exact same thing, many of whom are going to be way better than you. That might sound harsh, but it really is just the reality. So the question is, how do you beat those people out for clients? Well, first you realize it's not just about the service you perform. So think about buying a car. Now, of course, the main thing that goes into your decision to buy is the car, but it's not the only thing. What about the warranty, the terms of the loan, any rebates the dealership is offering, and of course the price? These are all things that you consider, and you might buy this exact same car from a different dealership because they offer an awesome warranty, or you got better loan terms, or they have a better rebate. All of these things are components of the offer, and the offer is what people are really buying, and the service you perform is only one part of that. So how do you use this? Well, first, think about what it is your client really wants. So let's say you build websites for local businesses. In case you don't know, pretty much every local business wants the same thing. When people search for, say, auto mechanic, they want their business, their auto shop, to show up number one on the map listing that comes up on Google. That's what they really want. They don't really want a website. They want new customers. And of course, you're going to build an SEO optimized website to help them do that. But why not offer a bonus training with your service that shows them how to increase their ranking even more? Creating their Google business listing, creating relevant content, maybe starting a YouTube channel, whatever it is for your service that you offer, but something that helps them get the thing that they actually want. Now, if you do that, you've now transformed your service from something they feel like they have to do into something exciting that can bring them new customers. And I'll bet almost nobody in your niche is doing it. So it's instant differentiation and an add-on benefit that gets them to pull the trigger on hiring you. And if they really want the bonus you're offering, they'll even hire you over competitors that are more experienced just to get that bonus. In fact, you could probably sit down in the next 30 minutes, bang out a simple checklist for SEO optimization or, again, whatever bonus works for your service, and start offering that as a bonus today. And it has nothing to do with you. You didn't have to get more talented. You didn't have to add a bunch of projects to your portfolio. You didn't have to get a bunch of client reviews. You simply changed the perceived value of your offer. So, do with that what you will, but it's worked really, really well for me. Now, even more, this is one small technique from just one part of the formula I teach in my course, The 5-Figure Formula. And the full course is loaded with this kind of stuff, and it's all about your offer and cranking up the perceived value of that offer to the point you can charge $10K and up for your services and differentiate yourself in a dramatic way that doesn't require changing anything about you. So you can not only charge more, but get hired more, no matter how experienced you are. In any case, you can see if it's a good fit for you by going to 5figureformula.com. That's the number 5, figureformula.com. All right, that'll do it. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you.